It has the aluminium wings, aluminium rear wheel covers, and also complete aluminium doors. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video in this XK120 series. As you can see, the car is now all together in one piece. It's getting ready now to go for painting. You can see on the back end of the car, the new rear shroud has been fitted, along with the wings, the doors and the boot lid. As we explained in the last videos, we had to make a new rear shroud because we needed to take the original one off the car so we could treat all the rust and repair all the panels underneath. That was the only way we could get to doing that. This car really put up some problems with our builders. We didn't start this car. This car came to us in several pieces, being started by another garage or another body shop, and we inherited it and decided to try and restore the car for the customer the best we could. We didn't take the car apart, so we didn't know what parts were missing. We didn't know how the car was fitted together originally, so we had no real reference points to work on. So we technically had to rebuild the car from scratch, mount it on the chassis, line everything up and check for all the parts that could be missing, which made it take a little bit longer than normal, but as you can see, now it's all together. It looks really good. The finish has come out really well. On this build, as you can see, we remade the rear wings. We've done these in aluminium. It was a discussion with the customer to say that we could make a new set of wings for this car and we make them in a lightweight style. So this is technically a XK120 semi-lightweight. It has the aluminium wings, aluminium rear wheel covers, and also complete aluminium doors. These are all aluminium inside and out and now finished on the car. They look really, really good, and they're a fraction of the weight. We also trial fitted all the chrome on the car to make sure everything's in the right place, lined the bumpers up. And again, because we did not strip this car, it was a case of trying to find out which parts we had, which parts we didn't have, which parts we had to make, and line everything up onto the car so it looks as good as it does now. On this side, you probably remember in our earlier videos, Rob, who also works here, he made a lovely job of remaking this side panel for the wing. This has all been let in and panel finished now, and you wouldn't know he's been there. It's a fantastic job. It blends lovely into the aluminium doors, and when we go around to the back end, you can see we have the aluminium boot lid along with the steel shroud and aluminium wings. The rear bumpers are now on the car along with the rear light holders. Like I said, everything's been trialled on the car to make sure it fits, and we've all lined it up perfectly, so it looks really, really good. Also, you notice we've trial fitted the roof frame. Obviously, when you're putting a car together and it starts off in 3 pieces, you bring them all together, the last thing you want to happen is you put the roof on, it doesn't reach the windscreen. So this is another good way of checking that your work is correct. The windscreen all lines up, the clamps all fit to it, and yeah, this will keep you dry in those little showers when the trimmer finally puts the roof on it. This car has been a real pleasure to work on. I may not have said that sometimes when I've been working on it, but it's brought some really good challenges, which is enjoyable to do to when you finally work it out and it comes to a standard of this. It's been great working with aluminium again, making handmade panels, and I think the car looks fantastic, and I can't wait for it to come back from paint, ready to be re-put back together for the customer. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to highlight that notification bell to see further videos from P&K Thornton's.